Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Children, today you will read about great scientist. Okay. In the previous class, you had studied about miracles of light. Had you revised? Miracles of light was very interesting chapter. So all of you should revise. When you read something in the classroom, then you should complete your homework also. Then it will be more beneficial. And I am telling you, GK is as important as maths and science. You will realize it later. Okay? So today you will study about great scientist. All of you know, children, that scientists play very important role in the development and progress of our country. The credit of our country's progress and development goes to a hard work, dedication and intelligence of our scientists. Given below is column A. In column A, the contribution of some scientists are given, and in column B, their names are written. You have to match the contribution with their name. Okay, children? The credit of the development and progress of our country goes to whom? To the dedication, hard work, and intelligence of great scientists. So you should know about their contribution and name. Page number. Page number 36. Great scientist. Oh, you have read this page? Okay. Okay, very good. A close encounter with planets also you have read. Okay. Then today you will read plant diseases. Okay? All of you have read, children, and you know very well that the diseases are caused by microbes. Disease causing microbes or microorganisms are called pathogens. Okay? Pathogens are disease causing microorganisms which may cause disease in plants, animals or human beings. So, diseases in plants are also caused by microorganisms. These microorganisms may be bacteria, virus, fungus. Okay, you have read, children, that the diseases caused by virus in plant is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. You should know that this disease is caused by virus in plant, TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. I am searching for duster. Duster is lost. So you should know that TMV disease is caused by you will read, it is GK class. Name of the chapter is plant diseases.
पेज नंबर 38 and 39 नहीं हुआ।
पेज नंबर 38। Okay, see 39 page number, then you will read plant diseases. In page number 39, you will read about the planet Mars. As you know, children, planets are heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun. In the solar system, sun is the main thing, and the other planets revolve around the sun in their elliptical path called orbits. And these planets are of two types. I had discussed which two types of planets are there. They are terrestrial planet and Jovian planets. Terrestrial planets have solid and rocky surface, and they are nearer to the sun, like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are terrestrial planets. And Jovian planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are Jovian planets. So two types of planets are there. Children, you should know about the specific feature of these planets, like which planet has a ring. You can say Saturn has a very beautiful ring. Okay, and Mercury and Venus are called morning or evening star because they are seen just before sunrise and just after sunset. So which two planets are called morning or evening star? Mercury and Venus. Okay, and you should know a special feature of all the planets. And Earth is a unique planet. Why Earth is a unique planet? Because life can sustain only on this planet Earth. Okay, why life can sustain on Earth? Due to presence of atmosphere. Okay, it protects us from ultraviolet rays of the sun. And on the earth there is presence of water, and the earth is at right temperature from the sun. The earth is at right distance from the sun, so temperature is also suitable for the living organism. Okay, and you know, children, that the planet earth has some other features, like, can you say any other feature? Ozone layer is present, which protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Ozone layer is present, which protects us from ultraviolet rays of the sun. So water is present in the liquid form, and the earth is at right distance from the sun, so temperature is also suitable. Presence of atmosphere. Due to all these features, life can sustain on the earth. So earth is a unique planet. Then what about Mars? Now you are going to read about Mars. Mars is called red planet because its color is red due to presence of iron oxide. Jupiter is the largest planet, and Saturn has a beautiful ring. Okay, so these are the features due to which we recognize the planet. These are special features of some planets. Now you will see firstly about the Mars. Mars, in Hindi it is called Mangal. Mars is the fourth planet. You have seen the order of the planet: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, earlier Pluto was also there, but now it is not in the list of Now it is not in the list of planet. Okay, it is a dwarf planet. So you know, children, very well. Now, so Mars is at which position? Fourth position. Okay, what is present in the second position?
Venus.
Venus. Okay, very good. And which planet is the hottest planet and why it is the hottest planet? Venus is the hottest planet due to presence of carbon dioxide. There is high percentage of carbon dioxide, and you know, children, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. It traps the heat of the sun and do not allow the heat to escape out from the atmosphere. So Venus is very hot planet due to greenhouse effect. Am I clear, children? So this is the special feature of Venus. Mercury and Venus are also called morning or evening star because they are seen just before sunrise and just after sunset. And Mercury is nearest to the sun, and Venus and Mercury both are morning or evening star, known as morning or evening star. And Venus is the hottest planet. Why? Due to presence of carbon dioxide. High percentage of carbon dioxide is there. So due to greenhouse effect, Venus is the hottest planet. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And Mars, you are reading about Mangal, Mars. It is the fourth planet from the sun. It is named after Mars, the Roman god of war. Okay? Roman god of war is called Mars. So this Mars is also named after this Roman god of war. Next, the period of revolution of Mars around Sun is 687 Earth days. Okay, all of you feel it. Next, the diameter of Mars is 6,787 kilometers. The diameter of Mars is 6,787 kilometers. Next, the surface gravity of Mars is about 38% of the gravity found on Earth. So you have to feel 38. Next, the average temperature on Mars ranges widely from 150 km at the winter pole to 310 K on the day side during summer. Okay, children? K stands for Kelvin. 6 number. Mars has seasons like the Earth has, but they last twice as long. This is because Mars is tilted on its axis by about 25.19 degree. Okay? So you have to feel 25.19 degree. Next, Mars has 2 moons. Very important. How many moons are there? Mars has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. Deimos and Phobos, these are the 2 moons of Mars. The atmosphere of Mars is about 100 times thinner than the Earth, and it has 95% carbon dioxide. So this is all about Mars. Children, today you came to know about the planets. What are planets? Planets are the heavenly body that revolve around the sun. In the solar system, the planets are there, and sun is the main part of the solar system, and the planets revolve around the sun in a definite elliptical path called orbits. And the nearest planet from the sun is Mercury. Okay, and in the order you have read Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now Pluto is not in the list of planet. Earlier it was there in the list of planet. So you have seen that planets are of two types, terrestrial planet and Jovian planets. Terrestrial planets have solid and rocky surface and Jovian planets are mainly made of gases. Okay? Jovian planets are farther from the sun, whereas terrestrial planets are nearer to the sun. And terrestrial planets are smaller in size, whereas Jovian planets are larger in size. Name of the terrestrial planets, you know children? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And Jovian planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay? You know children, there is a trick to memorize it. J, Jupiter and J, Jovian. Both start from which letter? J letter. So now you will never confuse. Okay? So you have seen the feature like Mercury and Venus are called morning or evening star. Why they are called morning or evening star? Because they are seen just before sunrise and just after sunset. And Venus is the hottest planet. Why? Due to greenhouse effect. There is high percentage of carbon dioxide which traps the heat of the sun and do not allow it to escape out. So it is very hot, hottest planet. Okay? And Mars is called red planet. And before that you have read Earth is a unique planet because life can sustain only on which planet? Earth. Why life can sustain only on Earth? Due to presence of atmosphere. Due to, yes, that protects us from ultraviolet rays of the sun. And due to presence of water. And next thing, the earth is at right distance from the sun. So temperature is also suitable for the living organism. So these are the reasons due to which life is sustaining only on which planet? Earth. And we can say Earth is a unique planet. Okay? Now you have seen the special feature of some planets. In the similar way you have seen Jupiter is the largest planet. And which planet has the maximum number of moon? Can you say children? How many moons are there?
Around 60.
Now it's your homework. Okay, so you have seen. Now about Mars. Mars is a red planet. Why it is red? Due to presence of iron oxide. Can you say the name of the moon of Mars? Deimos and Phobos. Underline it, very important. Deimos and Phobos are the moons of Mars. Jupiter, Saturn is characterized by a beautiful ring. Okay, so you have read about the different planets, and now you will start next topic. Any problem, children? No. Now we will start plant diseases. Okay? Plant diseases, you know that the diseases are caused mainly due to microorganisms, bacteria, yes, written correct, number of moon. So children, you should know that the diseases are caused by microorganisms which are known as microbes like bacteria, algae, virus, fungus. These are the microorganisms. And in the plant you have read children, the diseases are mainly caused due to virus and fungus. Bacteria may also cause. Like bacteria may cause a disease like citrus canker, and virus may cause a disease like TMV, T tobacco and mosaic V virus. So this disease in plant is caused by virus TMV, tobacco mosaic virus, and citrus canker is caused by bacteria. And 3 diseases are caused by, other diseases are also there, but you should know of mainly 3 diseases. These are rust of wheat, smut of rice, and red rot of sugar cane. These 3 diseases are caused by fungus. In human being, fungus may cause ringworm and athlete foot, and in plant, fungus may cause main 3 diseases you know, children. These are rust of wheat, smut of rice, and red rot of sugar cane. Okay. Now in GK book also you see name of the diseases are given in plant. This is plant diseases. Plant disease is defined as the abnormal growth of a plant. Okay. Normal growth does not take place. When the plant is suffering from some disease, abnormal growth start to take place. Different plants are susceptible to different microorganisms that can cause diseases. Read the given information about some common plant diseases, identify the disease and write the correct answer in the space provided. Okay, you can take help from the help box. Like first one is, it is a physiological disease which is usually seen on tomatoes planted in cold, heavy soil, as they have poorly developed root system. It appears as a dark spot at the blossom and of the fruit. The skin of the affected area becomes black and leathery. It is called blossom and rot. Okay, blossom and rot. It is in tomato plant. Now next, this is a fungal disease. You have read, children, the disease in plant is mainly caused by virus, fungus and bacteria. Fungus causes many diseases in plants. 3 diseases you have read: red rot of sugarcane, smut of rice and rust of wheat. Now you will read about more diseases. Like this is a fungal disease which appears as roundish black spots with fringed margins on rose leaves. The infected leaves turn yellow and fall from the plant. The optimal conditions for the disease to develop are temperature ranging 75 degree Fahrenheit to 85 degree Fahrenheit and high relative humidity. The name of the disease is black spot. Black spot. Next, third number. It is a fungal disease. You can see, children, most of the diseases are caused by fungus. What are fungus? Fungus are non-green plants. They do not prepare their own food by photosynthesis because they do not have chlorophyll. They depend on rotten material, dead and decaying material to get their food. They are saprotrophs. Sapro means they get food from dead and decaying matter. Okay. So these fungus are causing many diseases in plants. Third one is, it is a fungal disease affecting large flowered clematis hybrids. The leaves turn black and leaf veins develop a purple coloration. This is followed by discoloration and wilting of the stem. It is clematis wilt. Clematis wilt. Next, this is a fungal disease mostly seen on roses, tomatoes and cucumbers. Environment with high humidity and moderate temperatures favors this disease. Infected plants display white powdery spots on leaves and stems. If in this the plant is infected and it is recognized by powdery spots on the leaves and stems. Name is powdery mildew. Okay, mildew is also a type of fungus. You have read about yeast. Yeast is a fungus. This mildew is also a fungus. So name of the disease is powdery mildew. Next, it is a fungal disease usually found on grasses. It is usually found from early summer till autumn when soil moisture is low. Affected grasses show white or straw colored lesions across the grass blade. As the blades begin to die, the area enlarges until there are dead circles 2 to 3 inches in diameter. It is dollar spot. Dollar spot. 6 number. This is a highly destructive disease of grapevines where there is spring when there is spring and summer rainfall at temperature above 10 degrees Celsius. The leaves get yellow spots with an oily appearance and eventually the entire leaf turns yellow. Spots appear between veins on the leaves and the plant dies very quickly once attacked. It is downy mildew. Downy mildew. So you see, these diseases are caused by fungus. Again, fungal disease. This is a fungal disease that usually attack ornamental and fruit trees. Do you know what is ornamental trees?
The trees which are used for making furniture.
Not making furniture. They are used for decorative purposes. Decorative purpose. Okay, children? They are used for decorative purpose. Ornamental and fruit trees. This disease is caused in ornamental and fruit trees and it is caused by fungus. It occurs often in mild and moist conditions. Dry, reddish, orange blister-like swellings are usually found on the underside of leaves. In some cases, plant growth and productivity get reduced, while in others, the plant wither and die. This is rust. Okay, this is rust. Rust of wheat you had read. This is only rust. And rust is caused by fungus. Next, it is a horticultural disease which attacks seedlings as they emerge. Horticulture, you understand, children? It is a branch of agriculture in which we study about fruits and vegetables. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Horticulture means
Branch of agriculture which reads about fruits and vegetables.
yes, very prompt children, very attentive children. Wow, very good. Next you will see, now you will see bacterial disease. It is a bacterial disease affecting pears, apples, raspberry in the spring season. Blossoms and leaves suddenly turn brown or black, but they usually stay attached to the plant. Young twigs and branches die from the terminal end and appear deep rust colored. It is fire blight. Okay, this disease is bacterial disease. Next is again fungal disease. It is a fungal disease that affects peach and almond trees. Symptoms appear in the spring season as reddish areas on developing leaves. These become thick, causing leaves to curl and distort. It is leaf curl. Okay, so names are easy, you can memorize. Not necessary to memorize this much, only important things you should keep in mind. Okay, and name also. Next is hydro puzzle. Hydro stands for water. Okay, there are many terms in science with hydro as their prefix, like hydrolysis of water. No, we are using hydro prefix. Prefix is used in the beginning of any word and it changes the meaning of the word. Like omnipresent. Present. Before that, if we use prefix omni, it is omnipresent. God is omnipresent. Very powerful, omnipotent. You have read, children? Omnipotent means very powerful. So here hydro is the prefix. Okay, we will use hydro for making different words. Now you see hydro puzzle, very interesting, hydro puzzle. हाइड्रोलाइसिस है ना, बहुत सा टर्म है. हाइड्रोकार्बन मीन्स कंपाउंड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन. नाउ यू विल सी. There are many terms in science with hydro as their prefix. Given below are few statements, answer to which are the terms prefixed with hydro. Read these statements carefully and write the answers in the space provided. Like a compound of hydrogen and carbon, it is called hydrocarbon. A highly poisonous volatile liquid having an odor of bitter almond, it is hydrocyanic acid. Next, a gel in which liquid component is water. A gel, all of you use gel in which liquid component is water, it is hydrogel. Next, a colorless gaseous element without taste or odor, it is the lightest of the elements which occur in water and all organic compounds. It is hydrogen. It is the lightest. So children, now your time is over. Rest thing you will read later. Okay, next day. Thank you.